If you have arrived here, your heart is listening. Not for noise, but for sweetness. Not for force, but for flow. In this episode, we'll decode Oshun's Oriki, what are really saying for her devotees. This sacred Oriki are an offering to Oshun, Orisha of love, sweetness, fertility, beauty, prosperity, and emotional truth. She is the river that heals the heart, the honey that softens pain, and the divine force that reminds us we are worthy of joy. Oshun is who walks where rivers whisper, where tears become prayers, and where love remembers its power. Oshun teaches us that healing does not always come through struggle. Sometimes it arrives through pleasure, through beauty, through allowing yourself to feel again. Before the words rise, before the Oriki flows, soften your heart. Unclench your spirit. Let yourself be moved. Because the prayer you are about to hear is not only spoken, it is felt. Each word is honey. Each verse, a river. Each name, a mirror reflecting your worth. If love has wounded you, Oshun brings balm. If abundance has felt distant, she opens the flow. If joy has gone quiet, she teaches it how to sing again. Listen not just with your ears, but with your emotions. The river is calling. Let's begin. Osun yeye, omo olokun asaju, obinrin tinyararin in laraomi. Mystical decoding Oshun is invoked here as daughter of the deep mystery, Olokun, meaning she carries hidden wisdom beneath sweetness. Her laughter is not naivety. It is initiated joy. She teaches that pleasure is a spiritual intelligence, and laughter is a spell that dissolves heaviness. Esoteric key. Joy is not weakness. It is high mastery of vibration. Dva, Osun, ayaba omitutu, enitin fi oyinde ona iku. Mystical decoding, she blocks death with honey. This oriki reveals Oshun as the alchemist of fate, the Orisha who sweetens harsh destinies. Honey here represents divine negotiation. Oshun does not fight death, she outsmarts it. Esoteric key. When life hardens, soft power rewrites outcomes. 3. Osun oluvere, enitin vo ayapelu oyu ayo. Mystical decoding Oshun sees the world through joy, not denial. This is the vision of emotional alchemy, to see pain without becoming it. Her gaze transmutes trauma into fertile wisdom. Esoteric key. How you see reality determines what it becomes. Kwere Osun Aje, yao wotin beni ikun omi. Mystical decoding Oshun is Aje, the spiritual force of abundance, but her wealth is hidden within the womb of water. This teaches that true prosperity flows, it does not cling. Money, love, fertility, creativity, these respond to movement, gratitude, and emotional openness. Esoteric key. Blocked emotions block abundance. Osuntinyo niaya okunrinati obinrin. She dances in the world of men and women. Oshun governs sexual polarity, attraction, and sacred magnetism. She reminds devotees that creation happens between forces, not in isolation. Sacred desire is a creative force, not a sin. Osun yeye kari, enitin so oropelu irele. Oshun speaks softly, but nothing resists her. This oriki teaches the power of gentle speech, diplomacy, and emotional intelligence. Oshun bends reality without force. Soft words can carry cosmic authority. Osun aladun, obinrin tin mu ayedun. She makes the world sweet. Oshun is the restorer of flavor to life, when existence feels dry, mechanical, or numb. She returns beauty, taste, intimacy, and meaning. Beauty is not decoration. It is medicine for the soul. Osuntin dao misan lati inu ayasiorun. She carries water from earth to heaven. Oshun is the bridge between realms, carrying prayers, tears, orgasms, laughter, and longing upward. Nothing emotional is wasted. Everything becomes offering. Your emotions are portals, not problems. Oshun reminds her followers, do not harden your heart to survive. Sweetness is your strength. When you honor your feelings, the river of life will always return to you. Softness is not weakness. It is magnetism. Where love flows, abundance follows. Let yourself be felt. That is how you are found. Your joy is sacred. To walk with Oshun is to learn softness without weakness, pleasure without guilt beauty. Without vanity love, without self-erasure, Oshun S. Oriki all sing the same hidden truth in many voices. Softness is not weakness. Joy is not ignorance. Pleasure is not distraction. They are powers. Oshun teaches that the universe does not only respond to force, it responds to flow. Where others push, she attracts. Where others harden, she sweetens. Where destiny seems sealed, she negotiates with honey. Her oriki remind us that emotion is sacred intelligence. Not something to suppress, beauty is medicine. Not vanity joy is a spiritual strategy. Not a reward desire is creative fire. Not shame Oshun shows that abundance. Whether love, fertility, money, or inspiration moves like water. When emotions are blocked, life dries up. When feelings are honored, expressed, and allowed to flow, the river opens. She teaches mastery of soft power, to speak gently and still move mountains, to smile and still command destiny, to love deeply without losing yourself. At her deepest level, Oshun is the bridge between worlds. She carries tears, laughter, pleasure, longing, and prayer from earth to heaven, reminding us that nothing felt with sincerity is ever wasted. Her message to her devotees is simple and profound. Remain sweet, but never forget your worth. Flow, but know your depth. Attract, do not chase. Feel, do not fear your emotions. To live Oshun's teaching is to reclaim the right to enjoy life without guilt, to honor the heart as a sacred altar, and to understand that when your inner waters are clean and flowing, the universe naturally brings you what you need. This is the way of Oshun, not domination, magnetism, not struggle, alignment, not force, grace and motion. Oshun whispers, remain sweet, but never forget your power. If this message resonated with you, please drop a comment or share it with someone that might need to hear this. And subscribe if you haven't, till ready for more profound Orisha decoding. Until the next time, Oshun Oju Odu signing out.